Yes, indeed. We've got a brand new MPS auto air shifter with a Ryan Schnitz shift module on the Cycledrag Hayabusa. I am so excited. I want to thank my two good friends, Jack Robinson, Team Robinson Racing, and Pops from After Hours Racing. Guys, what a day it was. Thank you so much for the help with the install.
You're more than welcome, Jack.
Sure, it's fine.
Jack, you're a big motorcycle drag racer. What do you think about the benefits of this auto shifter here?
The benefits of the auto shifter is exactly what it says. It's going to cut your time down going to the quarter mile. It's a great product. You can have constant shifts, better ETs.
I can't wait. We have an installation video coming, and of course, we're going to test it out on the track. We got everything mounted in the tailpiece. Pops, while you're here, we got to ask you, all the West Coast racers want to know, when are we going back racing? Do we have any updates to pass on?
Well, first off, because of the coronavirus and jamming up the season and notices we're giving of the short time of drag racing, what we've trying to develop is a kind of a new concept of a traveling team, to where we take 3 or 4 groups that race, put them together, and we travel to different tracks to support those tracks. And hopefully we grow the program, basically. We're probably going to name the program United Motorcycle Racing, because it's uniting various groups, and hopefully it works out great.
Yeah, cool. We're going to get all the guys together here for some big West Coast races, all the pro extreme guys. We're going to get the street racers. It's going to be a lot of fun. Jack, I know you're looking forward to that, right? Some big races here on the West Coast?
Definitely looking for some big races. Ready to do some more racing.
I can't wait. Now, Jack, I got to ask you too. A lot of people took notice of our videos from last week. We were up at your shop. You were dynoing some BMWs. You dynoed the Hayabusa. What's going on there? Because a lot of people have asked, can they get their bike dynoed?
Yes, you can get your bike dynoed. I will dyno tune your bike. Prefer to flash your ECU. If you have a power commander, I can do it with that, or we can take it off and just go straight into the ECU. All kinds of horsepower gains and all kinds of performance gains.
Yeah, we did a pretty good job there with what we had with the power commander, that's for sure. All right, put you guys on the spot real quick. Hard one. We ask everybody their Mount Rushmore motorcycle drag racing. Do you guys have top 4 of all time to you? It can be, you know, these are West Coast guys. It can be West Coast bias. Pops, do you have your top 4 motorcycle drag racers of all time?
I'd have to say Augie Herrera. I'd have to say his son Gage. And then I'd have to move down to the Burkharts.
Excellent. Excellent. Jack, how about for you? Personal influence included?
Personal influence, Larry McBride, hands down. Tony Ruggiero on his Top Fuel Harley. And believe it or not, a bracket racer out of Sacramento, Ed Burdell. Probably the best bracket racer I've ever seen on a motorcycle. And then the Herreras. They are just phenomenal.
Yeah, they are.
Good picks. Speaking of Larry, you think we can twist his arm? Maybe someday get him out here to the West Coast?
God, I hope so. Larry, I'd love to ride your bike.
A lot of people would.
Sit on it.
Well, I don't think it's just Larry. I think there's a whole bunch of really top racers that need to come out here.
Absolutely.
And, take the West Coast crown away from us. That's the bottom line.
We would love to see it. And I must say, you guys look totally dapper and really well dressed. Where did you get those great looking shirts?
Hey, Cycledrag.com.
Yes.
I would like to pass on to everybody. You can have those shirts from Pro Things. The link is in the description. Check it out. Guys, I really appreciate it. Anything else you want to pass on?
Ride safe, everybody. Let's get back to racing.
Yeah, be safe.
Can't wait to get back racing. Thank you guys so much.